I'm Janet, and today we're going to be making a Thanksgiving Day decor piece. And what I have here is a wire basket from the Dollar Tree, and then I have some fabric from the Dollar Tree that I have just folded inside. There's no gluing, there's no sewing, just folding it to fit inside. And then I've taken a foam piece from the Dollar Tree as well, and we're going to stick that on the inside so that we can put our florals into it. And so before I go any further, I'm going to take my ribbon from Gwen Studios, and I am just going to weave in and out at the top of this basket. So I've finished weaving the ribbon around, and you'll find that the pattern around isn't very uniform, and so you'll have some weird places to go in and out, but I think overall it works out fine. If you don't like it, you could always just, hot glue around it. Then I just took some extra ribbons here and tied a bow in the front. And then the next thing we're going to do is I have this decoupage pumpkin that I did, I think, last year. So we're just going to set that on top. And then I have a bunch of foliage pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we could just bring these in. And I have my wire cutter here, and I am just going to cut these down shorter. I wasn't really sure how tall I was going to need them, but so then we're just going to take them and arrange them into a design around the pumpkin, and that's quick and easy little table decor. So I'm just going to continue to cut and place, and I have flowers, and we can use those as well. And if you don't want to shorten them, you can always bend the stem and just insert them that way, just so that you can use them again in another project if you don't want to take them down in size. So it's not going to take much to fill in this area, and I am just going to stick that right down in there and continue to fill in. I have some white and some green pieces that can also kind of go in there if you want to fill in with them. I'm not sure I like those. I think I'm going to continue on with our leaves, cutting them down and placing them into the foam. And I just want to have enough there to cover up the foam itself.